Here we come to the main passenger elevator at the Physical Education Building at Texas Southern University in Houston, Texas. It's quite low light in that elevator cab, so that's why I have the light on. But this is the same building with the custom Dover Impulse freight elevator. Look at all those mirrors in the elevator cab. Wow. This is nice, just like I found in the Student Center. Quite an epic motor. All right, I'm gonna close up the door and show a detailed view of the elevator cab. And I'm not just gonna take for one more ride, but I'm first gonna stop on 2, just I want you to hear the motor. The decor in the elevator cab just looks really nice. Actually, I'll take it up to 3, because I want to sample the sound of the motor. Right, here we go. And 3, 2, 1. That is a beautiful sound of the motor. It sounds similarly like a Chewbacca sounding like motor. But I think I do like the freight elevator better because it's got like a custom Dover Impulse fixtures, and also the elevator cab is literally all entirely red. Speaking of red, just kind of like the dot matrix indicator seen on this elevator, as it's part of the school color scheme. The livery of Texas Southern University. So, with that being said, oh my gosh, it took forever to level. This thing is slow. Oh, I see the Dover blue up there. Yeah, this definitely was a Dover from 1985 and it was modernized. I see the Dover blue. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.